For the last 2 days, I've been promoting this affiliate program, this specific tool that I'm going to show you on the screen right now to make my first $200 online using this tool and this specific affiliate marketing strategy and promotion strategy. What I really like about this website is very easy to sign up on as an affiliate. It is a tool that a lot of people are using. Your audience potential is huge with what I'm going to show you in this video. And there's a lot of money. The commissions are over 50%. So there's a lot of money to be made with this. So hopefully you can replicate this as well. And this is worldwide. So no matter if you're in the States, India, South Africa, UK, Philippines, you name it, any country in the world, you can do this and make some money online. But without further ado, I'm going to hop straight into my PC. But before we go and do that, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Millionaire Mindset channel. My name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur documenting my daily journey on this channel with different business models, ideas, and ways to make money online, and listing some of the latest websites on my channel that you can go and utilize to make some money online. But without further ado, let's hop straight into my PC. Alright, so we're now inside of my PC, and I'm not too sure of any of your financial situations or your background or why you've chosen to watch this video. But this video is here, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make some extra money online without spending a single cent using this tool called Kickster.co. So this is a real Instagram follower tool that is used for organic growth on Instagram to get real followers. You can see they've basically got a tool that finds profiles similar to yours, lists your competitors, complementary brands, and influencers in your niche. Their followers may like your page as well. They auto engage with their followers, so Kickster will like posts of people who follow profiles similar to yours on your behalf, and lots of people will follow you back. So it's a great tool that you can use to grow your Instagram page organically. But as a matter of fact, we aren't actually going to be using this tool ourselves. So what I like about this tool, firstly, you're going to make passive income with this, a monthly income of one person. So with the affiliate program, it is a monthly subscription base, meaning if you sign up one person, they're going to be paying you a monthly commission every single month for as long as they are on this tool. So this could be lifetime, could be a couple of months. But what I'm also saying is the power of this long term. If you sign up 5 clients the first month, you sign up 5 clients the next month, and the 5 clients a month after that, you are going to have 15 people now paying you on a monthly basis. So the way you can build a big income and big business with this is huge. So what you need to do is you need to come over to Kickster.co, scroll down all the way to the bottom of this website. You want to click on affiliates over here. So let's click on affiliates. It's going to take us to the affiliate page, Kickster.co/affiliates, and you can actually go and make money with Kickster. So have a look here. The affiliate program highlights and why this affiliate program is so good. First of all, you're going to get a 50% monthly commission. So I'm going to show you now what their pricing is. You're going to get a 45-day cookie lifespan, 100% timely payout, so they pay out nearly instantly, newsletters with new features and deals and coupons that you can give to your clients to encourage them to purchase this tool, and bonuses, incentives for extra monthly commissions. And you're also going to get access to a dedicated affiliate management team, which is super powerful. So they're really treating you very well as an affiliate in this tool. But what I want to show you what you can earn. Have a look here. The pricing standard plan is $49 a month. You're going to get 50% every single month of a person that you sign up to this plan. So that is about plus minus $24.5 per month that you're going to make. And the premium plan, $99, you're going to make about $49.5 every single month. Passively, that's profit just from one sign up, which is really amazing with this. And again, just to recap, this is no place to buy any fake followers or bots. This is real engagement that anybody can use to grow their Instagram account with real people that will engage with your content. That's why this tool is very different to that of bot follower pages. So what I suggest you do is, before we move on to the next step, is leave a like on this video if you're enjoying it so far. I would really appreciate that. I love it when you guys engage with my videos. It really drives me and pumps me up to produce more amazing content like this and to test out different strategies to help you guys make the most money online. But without further ado, what I suggest is scroll down, definitely educate yourself a little bit more about this tool. As I like to say, one of the biggest ways to really build a big business online is to educate yourself and develop high income skills. So educate yourself about this tool, read through what other people have to say, and read through some of the frequently asked questions so that you can familiarize yourself with this tool. So if any of your affiliates ask you questions, you can go and help them out. And that makes you look much better as an affiliate for this tool, which all helps in the end getting more signups and more commissions with this tool. So the first step is you're going to come over to kickster.co/affiliate. You're going to click on sign up over here, and it's going to take you to this page over here. All you need, and it's just 4 things: first name, last name, email, and your password. And after that, you just need to go and verify through an email verification. Once that's done, you're going to be taken to your dashboard where your affiliate link will be there, and you're ready to promote with what I'm going to show you in the next step. So you've probably heard of the promotion strategy that I've showed you before, but it's really, really powerful because it's very targeted traffic that is much higher converting. So what you actually can do is you can come over to Google and you want to make a Google search. For example, I just took my hometown, Port Elizabeth Bar, which is a city in South Africa, and I just searched. This is one out of literally millions and millions of examples. You can do New York dentist, you can do Chicago bar, Chicago movie house, or whatever it is. You can literally Google any city and any business name, but what I suggest is the city first and then the type of business. So for example, the niches, you can go Port Elizabeth accountant or Port Elizabeth lawyer. You can use anything for this, which is what I really like. So your audience potential is literally unlimited. So I found a couple of bars here on Google Maps: the Duck, Beer Yard, Garden Sports Bar. So I'm going to choose one of these. For example, Beer Yard. Let's open this up in Google Maps. Here you can see what you want to look for is their website. Over here, click on their website. You want to go to the website. Here you can see their website to Beer Yard. But what you want to look for specifically is if they have an Instagram account. So usually most websites, okay, this one doesn't. They just have TripAdvisor and Facebook. But what you can also do is if Instagram is not on the website, come over to Google and just type in, for example, Beer Yard Instagram, the name of the business and Instagram. Here you can see, not Beer Year, sorry, Beer Yard. Beer Yard, the Beer Yard. Okay, here's their page here. So I'm going to click on this. Here you can see is their official Instagram account. And the first thing you want to have a look at is how they are doing. So you can see they've got 2,000 followers. You can see they're putting in some good time and effort into their page. So you can see 174 likes, 70 likes. For 2,000 followers, I would say they should be getting anywhere between 200 and 400 likes per post. Their likes are slacking a bit, which means they are losing out on a lot of potential clients through social media, through Instagram, orders online it could be. You can see they really are trying to take good pictures and putting effort into the Instagram page, but they're just not getting kicked off. They're not getting the amount of likes that they would like. You can see their likes are very low. The engagement is very low. So what we can go and do is we can actually go and help this page and make money out of that. So what you'll do is you can either send them a DM, but what I think is a little bit more professional is if you actually contact them through their website. So you'll see over here, they should have a contacts button somewhere here, galleries, location and contacts. There we go. Okay, here you can see they only have a phone number. I'm surprised they don't actually have an email. So what you can do is I would suggest email them instead of phone. I'm not going to phone them in this case, but what you can do is if they don't have an email on the website, DM them through their Instagram page. But let me actually quickly go and get another example for this. I'm going to quickly come back here on Beer Yard. I'm just going to come back to Google Maps. Let's, for example, use the Garden Sports Bar. Okay, they don't have a website. Ranger Saloon. Here, for example, is another example that I found of a Port Elizabeth bar. Is this one here called Hello, It's Me, which is some food kitchen. So here you can see they actually have their Instagram. So I'm going to open up the Instagram tab in a new page, and you can see 2,600 followers. They're putting a lot of effort into their page, but again, the engagement is better than Beer Yard's page, but it's still lacking likes. With 2,000 followers, you should be getting anywhere between 200 and 400 likes. They're only getting about 50, 80, 90, 170, 80. So it could be better, but I can see that they're putting a lot of effort into their page. So what you want to do is, again, like I spoke about, instead of actually DMing them, come back to the website, come over to the contact page, and some pages will actually have in a field like this where you can type in your name, email, subject, and message, or you can send them an email on the info line. And you want to come across as very friendly, not spammy, and you can, for example, say something along the lines such as, hey, I just saw your Instagram account. I'm really impressed with the quality of content. I see you're trying to grow your page. And you can even mention if you're from the city yourself, I'm from Port Elizabeth as well. I definitely want to come check out your restaurant sometime. And I can see your business has a lot of potential. And then you can say something along the lines, did you know that social media can play a big role in really growing your business and getting a lot more customers through a social media presence? And you can also tell them how having having more followers and being more active on social media can really increase your presence online, driving you a lot of more traffic through the doors of your business in your local city. And then you can introduce yourself and say something like you're a social media marketing expert and that you specialize in Instagram and that you're willing to help them out. But remember, you don't want to push your affiliate link from the start and just spam them. You want to provide them value, maybe compliment them, give them some value on their business, and then slowly but surely you can put your affiliate link in the message. And you can also mention that this won't cost them hundreds or thousands of dollars. It's literally less than $50, and they will be intrigued because obviously this opens up new doors for them. It opens up a whole new business potential through a big social media presence. And then slowly but surely you can go and suggest after that message the Kickster program or the Kickster tool. Let me just come back to the home website over here where they can grow their Instagram account using a powerful growth tool, engaging with other people, for example, bars or restaurants in their niche, getting a lot more followers and perhaps a lot more customers through the door in their specific country. So you're literally offering them the perfect tool that they can go and use to build their business online. And then all you do is you just send them your affiliate link, and that could either be $25 or $50 a month, literally in passive income. So if you think about that, and if I come back to Google over here, let me just come back quickly. Let's come back to the home website. You can see there is hundreds of businesses on Google Maps in different cities, in different niches as well. You don't only have to use a bar. I just used a bar because it was a silly example. You can also go, for example, New York dentist. You can go target dentist Instagram pages. There will be tons of dentist pages, for example, in New York. You can do a similar message. You can literally write your own copy of the message and copy paste that and send that to the different business, see who bite backs. And I mean, if you send, for example, to 100 people a day or 100 different businesses a day, and 2 people literally just bite and if 2 businesses reply or, for example, and purchase a package that is a 2% conversion rate, which is very low, it's usually a lot more than that with this kind of thing, that is literally already $50 to $100 per month or in the same day, just passive income from this tool. So that is what's really powerful about this Kickster affiliate program. I love the passive income, and I'm sure you would too. But that is going to be my video for today, and I really hope you guys got a lot of value from this and that you're going to take action with this, because this is really a great way to definitely generate even a part-time or a full-time income online, literally just through passive income through the Kickster tool. But what I'm going to do is on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link, like a little square clickable link, to my favorite affiliate marketing playlist that I created with tons of other videos like this, where you can go maybe do 2 of these different strategies or business models at the same time to bring in perhaps 2 streams of income and essentially learn more high income skills as you go along. But without further ado, you're welcome to go and check that playlist out. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.